Hello. Today, I'm going to show you a nice comparison video about two nice devices. One is super nice, the other is a little bit old, but not so old as well. Today, we are going to see the Google Pixel 8 versus the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Is it worth for upgrading, or you can't handle the Google Pixel 8 anymore? Back in 2023. That was a nice time, huh? The Google Pixel 8 quickly became one of the most popular Android smartphones thanks to the clean software, excellent cameras, and the powerful AI features. But no. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra represents the latest generation of flagship smartphones. So, is upgrading actually worth it? In this comparison here, we will go to have a look at the design, the display, performance, camera, battery life, AI features, and software. And of course, overall value to help us to decide which phone is the better choice for you. Let's start with design and the build quality. The Google Pixel 8 features a compact 6.2 inches design that fits comfortably in one hand and weighs around 186 grams. The Galaxy S26 Ultra takes a completely different approach. A large 6.9-inch display, a premium titanium construction, oh yeah, slim bezels, integrated airspan, a more productivity-focused design. If you prefer a compact smartphone that's easy to carry, the Pixel 8 is your fantastic device. If you want the biggest display and the most premium experience, the Galaxy, of course, is the cleaner winner there. So I think the winner is the Galaxy so far, until now. Let's go to the display. The display is one of the biggest difference, of course. The Google Pixel 8 comes with 6.2 inches OLED, a full HD plus resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and excellent brightness. Okay, the Samsung Galaxy comes with a 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED, a QHD plus resolution, LTPO adaptive refresh rate from 1 up to 120 Hz, significantly brighter outdoor visibility, an anti-reflective display coating, and an optional privacy display. Of course, it's dependent on the market. If you have it, oh nice. Wow, watching videos, gaming, and reading outdoor all feel noticeable better on the Samsung display. So the winner should be the Samsung Galaxy. Let's go to performance. The Pixel 8 is powered by Google's Tensor G3 processor, optimized for AI features, photography, voice recognition, and everyday performance. However, heavy gaming and demanding video editing aren't the strongest areas. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features the Samsung latest flagship processor, delivering much faster GPU and CPU performance. Yeah, of course. You will get a special note and different if you are going to use it for gaming, editing 4K or 8K videos. Multitasking, running Samsung DeX using advanced AI features. For power users, Samsung easily takes this round for this. The winner is, of course, Samsung. Let's go to the camera system. The Pixel 8 included 50 megapixel main camera, ultra-wide camera, Google outstanding computation photography. The Pixel still produces some of the best point-and-shot photos available on the market. The Galaxy S26 Ultra goes much further, of course, because there you can get so much. 200 megapixel, wow, 200 camera system, ultra wide camera, 3 times telephoto lens, 5 times periscope zoom lens, much longer optical zoom range, an 8K video recording, and professional shooting modes. Boah. The Pixel 8 Strange, excellent color science, outstanding HDR processing, fantastic night light, extremely reliable point-and-shot photography. The Ultra Strange is much more versatile camera system, superior optical zoom, better video capabilities, expert RAW support, advanced manual controls, more creative and shooting options. That means if your priority is effortless photography, the Pixel remains excellent. Woo! If you're a content creator or a serious mobile photographer, the Galaxy, of course, offers significantly more flexibility for you. Let's go to battery, baby. And charging. The Google Pixel 8 comes with 4,575 mAh battery. Slower wire charging, wireless charging, too slow. The Galaxy 5,000 mAh, it's not much more. Faster charging, wireless and wired, and reverse wireless charging as possible. That means you can get another phone or another Qi standard device on it and recharge it on a phone. Let's go to the AI features. Okay, back in 2023 or something else, it was a leadership of it. The Google has always been a leader in smartphone AI. Popular Pixel features are Magic Editor, Best Take, Full Screen, Live Translate, and Audio Magic Eraser. But Samsung has made enormous progress with the Galaxy AI. It offers features such as Live Translate, Writing Assist, AI Note Summary, AI-powered photo editing, audio enhancer tools, circular search, productivity-focused Galaxy AI features integrated throughout One UI. The Google still delivers some of the smartest AI experience. Samsung, however, offers a much broader AI toolkit. Let's go to the software because of that. The Pixel 8 delivers pure Android. Fast software updates and a clean and simple interface. The Galaxy comes with One UI, extensive customization, Samsung DeX, Good Lock, multi-window, S Pen integration, and many additional productivity features. If you prefer a simplicity, choose the Pixel. If you want the maximum functionality, Samsung has clearly advantage there. And of course, the price. What's going on with the price? Everyone is looking for the price and the value. The Google Pixel 8 is now available at a much lower price than when it launched. So, big thumb up for it. The Galaxy S26 Ultra remains a premium flagship. Really expensive. However, the higher price gives us more. A significantly better display, more powerful hardware, a much more versatile camera system, superior zoom capability, and S Pen support. Additionally, of course, productivity tools. So, buy the Google Pixel 8 or get it or let it in your pocket. If you prefer a compact smartphone, you know Google's clean Android experience and you mainly take point-and-shot photos. And you're looking for excellent value for the money. Buy the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra if you want the flagship level performance. You need the best zoom camera, you create videos or social media content, you enjoy mobile gaming, and you want the S Pen. You prefer a large premium display as well. So which smartphone would you choose or let it in your pocket? The compact or the AI-focused Google Pixel 8 or a Samsung feature package with all of them, the Samsung device? I prefer the Samsung device, of course. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Tschüss.